morning, everyone. I have today off. And, it's 6 days until Christmas, and I need to go finish my Christmas shopping for Mark. So that's what I will be doing today. And we'll also be making homemade chicken palm with the kids when we get home. Well, when I get home. Well, I guess they'll be home too because I have to pick them up. So when everybody gets home, we will be making chicken palm. It's one of my favorite meals, and one of the reasons why we're making it is because my favorite mozzarella cheese was on sale at the grocery store. So when that cheese goes on sale, I make lasagna and chicken palm because that's just what I do. It goes on sale maybe every 3 weeks. So every 3 weeks we have lasagna and chicken palm. I just went from the house to the car. It's freezing out. I know it was supposed to be cold today, but I'm not ready for this. This kind of cold doesn't normally start until like January, but it's only the end of December, and we're already getting negative 10 to 15 degrees. Brr. I need to go someplace warm ASAP. Who's with me? While walking through the mall, my stepmom and I, we stopped at Lindor Chocolates, and they were having a sale on their truffles. So we split the cost of buying the chocolates, and we each ended up with about 110 truffles. So tonight after dinner, we're each going to pick one without looking, and we're going to taste it, and we're going to try and guess what it is. I just thought that, it might be something fun and silly to do. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite type of chocolate from Lindor Chocolates. All right, ladies. Now you're going to close your eyes, and you're going to reach into this bag of truffles. Are these truffles?
They're truffles by definition.
And whatever you pick, you're going to try and tell us what you think of them. And you're going to guess what their flavor is. So go ahead, Miss Emily. Okay. Your turn. Oop, oop. All right, Miss Emily, you go first.
I think this is just chocolate.
All right, well, let's try it.
Melody's got
No, Melody's going to guess hers.
I think this is raspberry, blueberry.
Blueberry, okay.
Okay, from the looks of it, it seems chocolatey.
All right.
It has a little dot.
Melody, you're gonna wait your turn.
That's amazing. All of this is like chocolate.
Take a bigger taste of the middle.
It has a melty chocolate.
A melty chocolate?
And a hard cover around it.
Okay, I think that one was supposed to be gingerbread. Mommy's gonna have to look it up on the thingy. All right, Miss Melody, your turn. Wait, describe it to us.
It has polka dots. So I think I got any flavor, but the brown got out of stock, so I had to use blue.
Okay, well, go ahead.
Gingerbread.
What is it?
Tastes like gingerbread.
That one was not gingerbread. All right. Now, just a second. Emily's was, in fact, gingerbread. What did you say it was, though? Emily.
Me?
Yes.
I said it was chocolate.
Emily's was, in fact, gingerbread. What did you say it was, Miss Emily?
I said it was chocolate.
Okay. And Melody's was that bluish color, right?
The light blue.
Now, Patty and I had a hard time trying to figure out which color blue that one was. So let's see if Daddy can figure it out.
Indeed.
No, there's some on the back, too.
I know that. You act as if I've never looked at one of these before.
Well, I'm sorry.
It's that blue.
Is she right?
Caramel with sea salt. That sounds lovely.
I tried that one. It was delicious. All right.
Okay, let's do this.
Cookie.
Bring it on!
I thought it was too soft. Ooh.
Now you shall see a truly sophisticated palate in action.
Oh, really now?
Oh yeah, there's mad taste buds up in here.
Oh, well, let's taste those out. Or test those out.
What is it?
Emily, sit back. Okay, dear.
It just tastes like milk chocolate.
Really?
I know that's kind of a cop out, but
What was
honestly,
it?
I just taste milk chocolate.
It was dark. It was a dark color paper, right?
Yeah, dark blue.
I think the dark blue was either milk chocolate or dark chocolate.
Oh, maybe. That's really disappointing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's boring. I was hoping to. Why can't I get pumpkin spice? Come on.
Pumpkin spice is a specialty one. It's only there during the fall.
Wow.
And the coffee one that's listed there isn't available anymore either.
Wow. Which one's the coffee one?
Well, they're calling this dark chocolate. I did not particularly find that to be dark, but I normally eat at least 60% cocoa dark chocolate, so I might be a little bit busted in that regard.
All right, it's my turn. Who's gonna take over the camera?
Okay, I'm behind the wheel now. Joy. Oh, look, cat.
Oh, I know what this flavor is, so I'm gonna
You're not supposed to look at the wrapper. You sit down with your eyes closed and then you open it and just pop the thing. How else is this gonna work? We're gonna know in like 2 days.
We are.
If anybody in the comments wants to explain to my child what a snack is, I mean, I really
I know
don't
what
think
a
it's
snack
necessary.
I don't know what it is. It's something you eat after school.
But no other time. So what are you thinking there, honey?
Well, I think it's the sea salt one again.
Well, let's take a look. Let's have a big reveal.
Oh,
right, let's
mine's
see.
blue.
No, it wasn't sea salt.
Mmm.
Let's see.
It's on the back.
No, I think mine was the caramel sea salt.
Oh, caramel sea salt.
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't taste the caramel, but I definitely got the sea salt.
They're subtle.
The caramel is very subtle because I accidentally got a hazelnut on the way home from visiting my parents, and I couldn't even tell because I really don't like hazelnut. So that's it for tonight, everybody. We're going to be off to bed. We'll see you tomorrow.